Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Icloud, or opening the Photos app on the device using the same Apple ID. This ensures you're checking the right library. Once signed in, go to Photos and then Albums to find the recently deleted folder. This is where iCloud keeps removed items for up to 30 days. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled in settings so items sync. If not, deleted videos may not appear. Now tap Recently Deleted to view recoverable videos. You'll see thumbnails and remaining days for each deleted item. Tap a video to preview so you avoid restoring junk. Once confirmed, use the Recover or Restore button to move the video back into your main Photos library. This resaves the file across your iCloud devices. If a video isn't listed, make sure you check other devices signed into the same Apple ID and inspect iCloud backups. Sometimes a video survives only in a backup rather than recently deleted. Proceed to restore from backup. If the video isn't in recently deleted, you can restore an entire device from an iCloud backup that contains the file. Be aware this overwrites current data, so backup first. Once done, check Photos again and allow time to resync. Larger videos take longer to download. If restoring a full backup isn't acceptable, search device snapshots or other cloud services you used. If things go wrong, try signing out and back into iCloud, restart the device, and contact Apple support for account-level recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.